Are you a student looking for online job to earn money at home? Are you struggling to make extra money every month? Do you want to know how to make money in high school? Do you know you can make money as a student? Well, to be honest, there are lots of ways you can make money, but the problem is that most of the students are either inactive or they just can't take the first step. The internet is a double-edged sword. If you really want to make money as a student, you have to take the risk and face the challenges. Get out of your comfort zone and start working. You have no excuse for not making money as a student. You have the time you need. You are just not managing it the right way. Here, I have gathered ways for you to make money in high school, which include both offline and online. All the means I mentioned in this video are legitimate. However, you have to figure out which one is convenient for you. These are genuine ways to make money, and it has worked for millions of people around the world. The amount of money you can make through these ways varies. You can make money ranging from $10 to millions of dollars. Subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification button to discover more on how to make money online. Here are ways you can make money in high school. Number 1, start a blog. This is my top recommendation. Blogging is a sure way to build a career online as a student. If you ask me to give you the best advice about starting an online business with the least possible investment, I will simply say start a blog. What is a blog? A blog is a discussion or informational website published on the World Wide Web consisting of distinct, informal, diary-style text entries. Posts are typically displayed in reverse chronological order so that the most recent post appears first at the top of the web page. Blogging is the best way to start a profitable online business as it allows you to build a strong foundation on the web with an everlasting effect. With that being said, it is high time for you to take action and get into the roller coaster of blogging. Number 2, join Swagbucks and earn cash back. Note: Swagbucks is not a way to make money, but rather a site to earn cash back. A penny saved is a penny earned. If you usually shop from Amazon, Walmart, Best Buy, or eBay, you should join Swagbucks right now. Why? Because Swagbucks provide cash back on almost all of the major retailers, including the ones mentioned above. Swagbucks is a top-rated survey site, but I don't recommend you to take online survey because you can't make much money from online survey. Rather, you should go for cashback, which is mostly available on Swagbucks. On any occasion you have to buy some stuff from any online retailer, a service, or a software subscription, just check Swagbucks cashback offers and shop through there. Your desired retailer may have a cashback offer available. Number 3, start an affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is not easy, but it is one of the best ways to make money in high school. Affiliate marketing involves promoting someone's products and services and getting commission per sale or lead. It is probably one of the coolest, quickest, and most profitable ways to make money online. To start affiliate marketing, you have to join an affiliate program which allows you to promote its products and services and make money whenever someone buys any product through your referral link. Some companies launch their affiliate program independently, like Amazon and eBay, whereas most companies operate their affiliate program through third-party websites like ShareSell, Commission Junction, and LinkedIn Affiliate Network. The best way to start affiliate marketing is to make a blog and start reviewing and promoting rich-rated products on it. Let's assume that I want to make money by promoting gaming laptop from Amazon. The first thing I will do is make a blog post about gaming and start writing reviews about gaming laptop on my blog. Once people visit my site to check the review about a certain laptop, afterward they will buy it through the affiliate and referral link present on my website. Once they click on the referral link, they will be redirected to the Amazon product page where they will buy the products and I will get a commission. There are hundreds of affiliate programs in almost every niche you could think of. Number 4, start freelance writing. Freelancing is the best way to make money as a student. If there is one skill that is most in demand skill in the online world right now, it is writing. Writing is not difficult. You don't need to have extraordinary vocabulary and creative skill for that. If you can write an article in simple English with no grammatical error or in any language, you can become a successful freelance writer. Companies need content writers and are willing to pay decent money for that. There are many freelance websites where you can sign up and start providing your services. Freelance websites like freelancer.com, upwork.com, guru.com, and many more. Getting your first 10 clients is difficult as people don't trust new sellers much, but once you manage to get the first few sales, things start getting easier. The rates on these freelance websites are not much. So I propose that once you get some experience from these websites, create a website, write on your portfolio, and start approaching big companies, startups, and websites to provide writing and services and charge them for your service you provided. Number 5, start a YouTube channel. YouTube is a great place to start your online business. You can start a channel about anything you love and start making good videos to attract an audience. Some YouTubers are making millions on YouTube. How do YouTubers make money? There are different ways to make money as a YouTuber, which includes display advertising through Google AdSense, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and selling your products and services. Display advertising through Google AdSense. You must have seen ads being displayed on YouTube videos. These ads are placed through Google AdSense. Google AdSense is a Google service that allows you to place ads on your video and make money per 1,000 ad views and ad clicks. Normally, YouTubers make $3 to $4 per 1,000 views. To apply for Google AdSense, you need to have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours on your YouTube channel. B. Sponsorship. In sponsorship, different companies approach you and ask you to promote their products to your audience. In return, they give you a certain amount of money. However, you need to have a decent number of subscribers and average video view. C. Affiliate marketing. I have explained the affiliate marketing concepts above. The process is the same over here, except you promote the product through YouTube videos instead of a blog. D. Selling your products and services. Selling your products and services is pretty much self-explanatory. You can sell any kind of product to your audience provided it is a good product. Number 6, make money selling t-shirts online. Online businesses have taken another dimension. Selling t-shirts online is a great way to make money as a student in high school with micro jobs. Most companies have made it very much easier for anybody to start his or her own t-shirt business and it is good for work from home jobs for students. These companies allows you to design any kind of t-shirt you want to sell, upload the design on their website, specify the price of the t-shirt, and promote it on your blog posts, social media platforms, forum, and through Facebook ads to get sales. When someone places an order, these companies print the t-shirt that they order and ship it directly to the buyer on your behalf. A certain percentage of that t-shirt price is taken by the company, whereas the rest is yours. Number 7, start dropshipping. Dropshipping is one of the most profitable and lucrative ways to earn money online as a student. Just like blogging, it has a huge earning potentials provided you do everything right. In dropshipping, you act as a middleman where you sell products without having to worry about production and shipping. The most important thing is to create an online store on Shopify and import products from AliExpress virtually to your Shopify store. Whenever someone buys product from your store, the actual owner of the product will supply it to AliExpress, and AliExpress will ship the product to the customer through you. Sincerely speaking, the prices of the products on AliExpress are quite low. So what you do is that when you import some products from AliExpress to your Shopify store, relatively, you set your price higher to maximize profit. Number 8, start self-publishing on Amazon Kindle. Do you love writing? Do you love writing fiction or non-fiction? The whole process of approaching a publisher and getting your book published is so tedious and time-consuming that most of writers simply quit. Amazon has solved all these problems. Now you can write a book and self-publish it on Amazon Kindle for free. The platform allows authors and publishers to publish their book to the Amazon Kindle websites and stores. You don't have to be a professional author to write. If you can write fiction, you are good to go. Just start with short 300-word fiction book with eye-catching content cover. The average price of ebook on Amazon is relatively less as compared to physical book, but the amount of traffic Amazon receives is high and the traction is free. Number 9, become a virtual assistant. Virtual assistant is a great way to make a full-time living on work from home job and earn money as a student doing micro job. Virtual assistant involves working remotely for some companies and websites, providing a wide range of services including blog management, email management, database management, researching on topics, and more. Being a virtual assistant, you need to have strong management skills and the ability to work within a limited time. The average hourly rate of a virtual assistant is $20 per hour in the United States, but usually it varies depending on your skill, experience, and the client you work with. You can find virtual assistant related jobs through jobs board, social media group, and freelance websites. Number 11, sell photo online. Do you have an interest in taking cool photos and capturing beautiful moments? Then you can sell your photos online and make some extra cash. Earn money online as a student doing micro job on websites like Shutterstock. It allows you to sell digital photographs to millions of people out there. Shutterstock is a huge marketplace for digital photos and videos where both buyers and sellers meet for business. Shutterstock has paid over 500 million to its contributors. One good thing about digital photo is that you can sell unlimited number of times without fear of your stock getting emptied. You are paid 33% per video download. I know that's very less, but having a large number of photos in your profile can lead to decent total. Shutterstock and all other digital photo marketplace requires you to be at least 18 years to join them. So if you want to join them, you can sign up with any of your elder brother, sister, mother or father's detail. Number 12, sell on easy. If you're creative and can make easy catching crafty items, Easy is a huge marketplace where you can sell handmade crafts and make a good amount of money every month. Do you know that Easy has more than 30 million active buyers, where you can sell jewelry, clothing, toys, tools, kid products, vintage items, and earn more money as a student doing micro job? Number 13, become a babysitter. Babysitter is one of the most popular part-time jobs for students to make some extra cash on the go. It is one of the most profitable ways to make money as a student doing micro job. Not only will it help you make money, but it will also help you become a responsible and reliable person. If you want to become a babysitter, then the best way is to start with your relatives and neighbors. People hesitate to trust students with no experience, so first work with your neighbors and relatively. Once you get some experience, you can start approaching other people. Number 14, become a web tutor. Are you interested in teaching others? Then try online tutoring. You can make money in high school by tutoring other students, either of your grade or junior, provided you have a strong grip on the subject you're teaching. The subjects like mathematics and science. Normally, many students struggle with mathematics or any other subjects. You can take the opportunity on the subject you are good at. If you know the subject very well and you can make other person or people to understand the subject in a more clearer way, you should simply ask people directly whether they want to be tutored. It gives you plenty of rooms to improve and make money. You can command decent rates and earn money online as a student doing micro job, depending on your expertise and experience. Check the playlist of my video on how to make money online and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching and bye.